You search for how to buy shares of Anaptysbio Inc, a clinical stage biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ANAB. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ANAB to find the company listing. Select the correct Anaptysbio Inc. result to open its asset page. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart. Double-check that the page displays Anaptysbio Inc. and the ANAB ticker to confirm it's the right stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.